Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight. Pointless to try and turn back the time. I've never been this old in my life. Load up my spaceship, tear through the sky.
I've been debating whether or not I wanted the AirPod headphones for so long. I feel like they've been popular for a while, and a lot of my friends have them. A lot of people I know have them. Like Rachel has them. I asked her this morning. I was like, are they worth it? Like, do you actually like them? She loves them. Caitlin also had them. I tried them on in California when we were there last weekend, which is another big reason why I decided to finally get them, because they were comfy. I never had seen them in person before or put them on. But they were really nice, comfortable. The sound was good. I listened to her like vlog that she was editing with the headphones on, and I really liked them. I have a pair of AirPod, like old AirPods, the original AirPods. I use them for travel, but they're a little bit uncomfortable in my opinion, the earbuds, leaving them in for a while. So that's why we're at Best Buy. Andy ran in to get me the headphones. We placed a order pickup, so they were only available at the Tempe Marketplace location, which is a little bit farther from us since we don't live in Tempe, we live in Phoenix. But anyways, welcome back to this vlog. I feel like we haven't even started off the vlog. We just got back from California yesterday afternoon, actually yesterday night around like 5 p.m. Cooked our first home cooked meal in a while, even though we don't have that many groceries. I feel like I'm always saying we don't have groceries, but obviously we just got back from a trip, so we actually don't have groceries. Just kind of getting back into the swing of things, packing a bunch of orders to leave for Montana actually in a few days. We're going up there for the next 2 weeks, going to Colorado for a wedding, and then Rachel and Dylan are coming to visit us in Montana in like 2 or so weeks. So we're gonna drive up to Montana. It's gonna be another road trip. I'm excited to see my family. I cannot wait, and just kind of get out of the heat.
Big fail.
The headphones aren't in stock actually, which is strange because when we ordered them it said they were available for pickup.
100%. We did the order online. They probably did have one in stock. Someone came in and they just sold it to them instead.
Yeah.
So they took our money, didn't have the product, and they took their money and gave it to someone else.
Yeah. So we drove all the way here. They don't have them, but we're gonna ship them, or Andy already changed it to ship, and it's gonna get here Thursday. So it's pretty soon actually. It's 2 days.
Yeah. Had our PO box in there for shipping. It said it wouldn't come till the 5th. I'm like, well, great. So I was like, well, what if I change the address to our house?
Yeah.
And then it said they'll come Thursday.
Yeah, because we won't be here. We'll be in Montana by then.
They must have just been confused with the PO box.
All right, well, it is what it is. 3 sandwiches.
I got 2 sandwiches and 1 half a sandwich.
What the? And a cookie? What's the half sandwich?
Cookies they had at the checkout, and I was like, I'll throw one of those in.
Favorite place ever in Arizona?
Chicken salad sub.
And a specialty that you're not going to tell me until we open it?
I can tell you. Let me tell you.
No.
Okay. Well, wait.
Tuna salad?
No, just something nice and fresh that sounded good to me.
Italian combo. If you're in Arizona, you have to get DeFalco's, or in Scottsdale. It is literally so fire. You got chicken salad, and then this is still the mystery sandwich.
Pretty good, huh?
I don't know why this camera is so dark at night in our house. Like, I can't figure out the settings. I really need to look it up. But we had a pool day all day today with Caitlin and Hunter. They were here. The dogs were playing, and it was a nice day. I love having them here, and I love that we've been seeing them so much lately. It's been really fun. I'm gonna be sad when they go back to California. But we're headed out right now to go meet up with some other friends that we haven't seen in a bit. We're gonna play, what's it called?
Putt Shack.
Putt Shack. This is my outfit for Putt Shack. My Sambas, these are girlfriend denim. Brandy's shirt, I've been obsessed with Brandy lately. And Andy's got on his outfit. Looks
Can I wear the black
stunning.
hat?
Yeah, black hat. Yeah. Black hat, black hat, black hat. Totally black hat. Like, no question.
I remember when I first saw your face and how everything changed that day. I remember trying hard to ignore the signs, but I couldn't and I didn't know why. I remember when I ran so far, like speeding trains in the passenger car. And I remember that you still came back for me. I tried to run and hide, but you were by my side. I can remember thinking you were crazy, love, but I don't mind. You wouldn't let me go. You let me.
It's Saturday morning. I just had my coconut coal. I have been having this for, I don't know, 2 or so months. I feel like you guys have seen on the vlog every time I eat this. Basically, if you're wondering, this is coconut coal. You buy it from like Whole Foods, or you have it at Sprouts, and then you can also order it online, which I'm curious about doing that because they have like different flavors online, and it's a probiotic yogurt. So basically it's like a replacement for a probiotic pill. Like if you take probiotics, you would know. My 4 ingredients is coconut cream, coconut meat, coconut water, and then their probiotic blend. The benefits of it, I feel like this is a fun morning chat. Benefits of probiotics is less bloating, which I actually really have experienced. I used to have super bad bloating and heartburn like every single day. Literally anything I would eat, I would get heartburn if it was like pretty acidic, and then I would feel bloated and just like uncomfy. I don't know if that's because I was on the pill. That's like a whole different topic. I got off the pill for multiple reasons, and that was one of them because I was researching that it could cause or like could be a factor in heartburn and stuff like that. So I don't know if it's because I got off that I've been feeling better, but since taking this, I definitely have less bloating too, which is cool, I guess, like a benefit. Lower inflammation, improving mood and mental health, better digestion, which is hand in hand with bloating, healthy skin, healthy weight, reduce allergy symptoms, boost immunity, feel full longer. I feel like boosting immunity is so true because Andy's been sick like 4 times the past, I don't know, a few months. 6 months he's probably been sick 4 times, and I've gotten sick once out of the 4 times that he's been sick, and we live in close quarters. So I feel like if he gets sick, I get sick, and I haven't been getting sick. And I'm like, yeah, I just have a good immunity, and I didn't realize it's probably because of this, because he doesn't do this. He didn't like the flavor, but now I'm like kind of convincing him that he likes it, but he's just a boy, and you know, boys are like, we don't need medicine, I don't need probiotics. Anyways, that's my little rant for this coconut coal. I love this stuff. Not sponsored at all, not an ad. I just really like this, and I wanted to share. We have a long day today. Andy's golfing, and I'm gonna do some cleaning. We are actually leaving for Montana tomorrow, I believe. We've been debating leaving Sunday or Monday, but today is July 1st. Happy July 1st. Headed to Montana for the next 2 or 2.5 weeks. We have a jam-packed schedule. We have to drive to Montana tomorrow to Salt Lake City, and then wake up and drive the rest of the way to Bozeman, which is only like 6 hours from Salt Lake. So we need to pack up all our stuff, pack up the house, pack up the dog stuff, get our clothes done, washed, cleaned. Right now and cleaning the house, organizing, trying to get everything ready for us to work in the morning. I'm out of breath because I've been running up and down the stairs. I have all these clothes I just got from Revolve, and I want to show you guys while I'm packing them. I'm not going to do a try on just because I don't have time, and I did do a try on TikTok, so you can go, I'll link my TikTok in the description if you want to see any of these clothes on. And I'm also going to be wearing them like all trips, so I'll be vlogging in them and you can see them then. But this dress actually isn't from Revolve, it's the only one that's not. I got this for a special occasion that you guys will probably hear about, but I don't want to talk about it yet because it's kind of a secret. But this is a yellow dress from Shop Rumored, and it is so gorgeous. You've probably seen it before. It's like kind of popular, and it's just like this pretty yellow long maxi. I'm gonna wear this with cowboy boots and call it a day. And he's home. But it's so pretty. All of this stuff is from Revolve, and it's for like Montana, Colorado. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. This dress I am in love with. Honestly, wasn't sure about when I placed the order, but it is so gorgeous, and it has a slit like on the leg, and it's just gonna be perfect with cowboy boots. This is the next dress. It's just like a kind of silky long maxi. I've been loving maxi dresses lately. I just feel like it's a little bit more mature. And then the back is so pretty. You can't really see any of these like without me trying them on. It has 2 ties and there's like lace detailing. It's just really freaking cute. This is a 2-piece set. This is the top, has the little flowers on it. And then a matching skirt. The matching skirt is more of like a midi. The set together is so precious, especially with cowboy boots. This I just got in the mail. We actually are going horseback riding one day. What? It'll be so fun with like jean shorts and my boots. Fun fact, my mom actually went to school for equestrian. She showed, so I have grown up around horses, and my dad was also a farrier. That's how they met. He would like shoe the horses when they first were like really young. I had my first horse when I was 5, I believe. My parents got me, his name was Oliver. I'll put a picture here of me and Ollie. He was the best horse ever. I would literally ride him like this with no saddle. He just walked me around the ring, and I took him to a few shows as well. And yeah, I loved him so much. I literally got a horse for my 5th birthday, which is really funny. Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm packing. Anyways, that's a little background. I was a horse girl when I was little, and I know how to ride horses, obviously, and Andy's never ridden a horse, so that should be interesting when we're in Montana, seeing him ride a horse. All right, we're packing up to go to Montana. Sandwiches are made. Snacks are ready for the car. Cookies, chips. Still have to load up the actual car, but have boots, sneakers, my flip-flops. This is the computer bag. Hello, Harold. This bag is for the hotel since we are gonna stay overnight in Salt Lake City. This will go in with me. Andy's got his backpack, and then our actual suitcases are upstairs. I've got 2, and I've got 1 big suitcase and a carry-on suitcase, and then Andy has his duffel. You guys ready? Stopping at the Henry to get a coffee and a smoothie, and then we're on the way. Salt Lake City is saying that it is 9 hours, 45 minutes, and we'll be there at 9 p.m., so that's pretty good. To our hotel in Salt Lake City. We're staying at the Courtyard Marriott, and it's really cute actually. I like this hotel. We picked up McDonald's for dinner, which is funny. We got like, what do we get? 2 cheeseburgers, chicken sandwich, and chicken nuggets. It's 9:30ish, so it's been a long day. Andy drove the whole time, 10 hours. So he's tired obviously. And we were just passenger princesses. But dogs got fed, they have some water. We're gonna eat and then probably go to sleep right away and try to wake up around 5. Put us in Montana. It's about 6 hours from here, so it's not far, not bad at all. How do you feel?
Great.
Hungry?
Yep, I'm hungry.
This is Andy's night routine, you guys. Get your contacts out. And brush your teeth. And that's basically it.
Yeah, I'm about to eat though.
That's it, actually. You guys ready to go to Montana? Lucy, you ready to go to Montana? You ready to go?
I am all the things I've done. I am
Yeah.